Dear viewers, today, we uncover the forgotten chapters of history, the true heroines of World War II, women from across the globe whose contributions to victory cannot be overstated. Picture Soviet medics dragging wounded soldiers through blistering gunfire. One of them, Valentina Tokaryova, saved 82 men in a single day despite suffering 3 wounds herself. Her hands were shredded by shrapnel, yet she refused to stop. In America, the WASP female pilots achieved the impossible, ferrying over 12,000 combat planes from factories to the front lines. These brave aviators knew, if they were shot down, their families would never be told. Their heroism remained classified for decades. In France, resistance fighters risked their lives daily. Andrée Borel, one of the Gestapo's most wanted women, orchestrated the escape of 200 prisoners. When captured, she spat at her executioners, "France will be free." During the Warsaw Uprising, 15-year-old Polish medics worked in underground hospitals. No water, no light, no medicine. They used torn clothing as bandages, saving lives in hellish conditions. And in the Soviet Union, female snipers became the enemy's nightmare. Lyudmila Pavlichenko, history's deadliest woman sniper, eliminated 309 fascists. They feared her like death itself. These women never sought glory. They didn't demand medals. They simply did their duty. Their stories teach us courage, resilience, and the unbreakable will to fight for freedom. If these stories moved you, hit like and subscribe. Let's honor those who gave us peace. Until next time. Did you know British women gunners shot down German V-1 rockets? Comment below, we'll share their story.